Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding sideline benches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Giantex Folding 6-Seat Sideline Bench. If you are wondering about the perfect sideline bench for your team, the Giantex Foldable Bench will be a great pick. This one has been made in an adorable red color and its classic design allows it to remain very stable while holding multiple people. The bench uses an Oxford fabric that is greatly breathable for your team. It has also been made with a strong frame that allows it to support up to 1056 lbs. This bench will comfortably be used outdoors due to its ability to withstand the harsh weather conditions. The versatile design for this bench makes it ideal not only for sports but camping as well. You will also have a very simple time carrying it to wherever you want in the provided carrying bag. The manufacturer produced it in 3 color options for the buyers to choose from. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Crown Sporting Goods Folding Bench. This is a comfortable and convenient sideline bench that can accommodate up to 4 people. The manufacturer produced it in 3 color options that buyers will choose from. You will also like its versatile design since it is not only confined to sports. This sideline bench will be used for camping or concerts. The good thing is that the benches come at a very affordable price across all budgets. Portability for this bench is also guaranteed now that the manufacturer has provided a carrying case in the package. Being made in a sturdy design, this bench will support 4 people and has a maximum weight capacity of 220 pounds. With this bench, there is totally no assembly required, which makes it very convenient to use. At number 3, we have the Franklin Sports Sideline Bench with a carrying bag. If you are searching for a sideline bench that will be used on different occasions, this one will be a great pick. Other than being used by the team of spectators, this bench also finds applications at home for chilling out. Its sturdy construction allows it to support up to 6 people very conveniently without worries of breaking down. Another great feature of the bench is that it does not require any assembly at all. Portability and storing this bench will be very easy now that it comes with a carrying bag. What's more, it has a lightweight that helps to enhance its portability. Each seat for this bench is estimated to support up to 225 pounds. You will also appreciate that it has been made from a reputable brand that will give you the confidence to purchase. At number 2, we have the TravelChair 6-Seat Foldable Sideline Bench. Just as the name suggests, this bench will be ideal for travel. This is due to the fact that it comes in a lightweight design, making it easy to store and transport as well. Additionally, it comes with a carrying bag to make sure that you enjoy that convenience. The frame for this bench uses steel materials that has a powder coating to protect it from rust and corrosions. With 2 color options, you will be in a position to choose a color that you find pleasing. The maximum weight capacity for this bench is 300 pounds. For every seat whereby it supports up to 6 people. You will also appreciate that it comes at a relatively affordable price across all budgets. And finally, at number 1, we have the Yaheetech Lightweight Folding Bench with a carrying bag. This sports bench has the ability to support so many people at the same time due to its sturdy construction. The frame features quality steel while the fabric used is 600D Oxford to guarantee durability. This is a folding bench that comes with a carrying bag in order to make storage and portability a breeze. Another great feature of the folding bench is that it does not require any tools to assemble. The universal sideline bench is not only meant for sporting activities since it also finds applications during the camping trips or during concerts. With the ability to support up to 6 users, this bench will definitely be ideal for a soccer team. Every seat for this bench will support a maximum weight capacity of 200 pounds. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.